backyard grilling just got an upgrade. Meet the Grillbot Flip Tray, the ultimate one-tray barbecue solution. It flips from raw to cooked in one smooth move, keeping hands clean and cross-contamination out of the equation. Designed with a raw side to drain bacteria-laden juices safely into the outer tray, then flip to the cooked side that locks in gravy you want to keep. Easily pour your gravy into a serving bowl and drain unwanted raw juices into your sink. Whether you're grilling steaks for the family or burgers at the game, the flip tray keeps everything clean, organized, and flavorful, from the first flip to the final bite. Our 4 pro-grade barbecue tools slide into the handles for secure transport. The flip tray becomes your cutting board, your serving tray, your grease trap, and your all-in-one barbecue command center. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean, built to last. From prep to plate, smarter grilling with the Grillbot Flip Tray. Visit grillbots.com. That's grillbots.com.